Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about this important transfers. Yes, Kudus latest to Chelsea is out, and Madueke to Arsenal, and Chelsea interested to sign one Arsenal young player. Yes, so we'll come and talk about him and see whether Chelsea should go for him or not, and see in our squad, do we need him or not. And also, Chelsea completed the signing of Jamie Gittins, but Jamie Gittins said certain things. Yes, something that attracts him, something that moves him towards Chelsea. Yes, he said it. We'll come and look at them one after the other. So please, before we go there, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And yes, we'll have a good weekend. Chelsea qualified to the semi-final of the Club World Cup trophy, and I had a watch along for that. Yes, during that game, and big up to all of you who were watching along. Yes, and the next game, the watch along will be coming, guys. So please stay tuned. Turn on the notification bell, hit the like button. Yes, if any video come on this channel, you are going to be the first person to see it. Yes, let's start with Jamie Gittins. Official, guys. Chelsea completed the signing of Jamie Gittins. Yes, from Borussia Dortmund. And they asked Jamie Gittins a lot of important questions. These are the answers from Jamie Gittins. They asked him his role model, the player he saw or who attracted him to join Chelsea, be it current player or former player. And this is what Jamie Gittins said, guys. I did watch Chelsea when I was younger, during the time of the Eden Hazard era. Eden was the clear player for me at that time. I like William as well. Another attacker, he had that little shimmy he did. I like that. Wow. So he liked Eden Hazard as his role model, inspiration. And William, yes, Brazilian William. Yes, for sure. These two players, they were fantastic for Chelsea. And in the history of Chelsea, we can never forget about them, Eden Hazard and Williams. And this is another answer from Jamie Gittins. I had a couple of text messages from Cole Palmer telling me to come. The same from Liam Delap, and all of them were eager for me to join. What a wow. Agent Cole Palmer and Agent Liam Delap. Yes, thank you. Yes, for bringing Gittins to Chelsea to win trophies, as you are doing in Chelsea. Yes. So, guys, now Chelsea completed the signing of Jamie Gittins. What is Jamie Gittins bringing onto the table of Chelsea? What is he bringing to our club? Guys, see, this guy is a skillful player. Jamie Gittins is a dribbler. He is good on the ball. So he is bringing that quality of a winger. He is bringing that squad depth. Yes. Currently we have Neto. Madueke will come to him. About to go to Arsenal. Yes. Currently we have George, our wingers. Ja Pedro just joined. And maybe Cole Palmer and maybe Jackson can also play as a winger. So this guy is bringing that squad depth. That super sub. That important player, in case our current wingers are not available, we have someone who is good like Jamie Gittins. Jamie Gittins starting, he will be a good player. Jamie Gittins coming from the bench, he will be a super sub. So Jamie Gittins is bringing these qualities to our Chelsea team. We are welcoming him, and let's hope he come and perform. For me, having a young team like this, you need a lot of them, because for young players, you can't trust them. You can't say or put all your 100% hope on them. So any day that one of them is off form, one will be on form. All of them cannot go off form like that. At least if player A is not playing well, player B will be playing well. So having young players in your team in which you cannot trust them, make sure that you have them many. You have them more. So in case, as I said, one is off, one will be on. So Jamie Gittins coming to Chelsea is good. Skillful player, brilliant, good on the ball. He is coming to add that squad depth and even bring that competition to other wingers. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Jamie Gittins coming to Chelsea. Yes. Do you like the signing? Do you like this player? Let me hear from you guys. And let's come to the next player. Eden Nwaneri. Arsenal player Eden Nwaneri. Chelsea interested to sign him. But before we come and talk about whether Chelsea should sign him or not, guys, let's look at this player profile. Who is Eden Nwaneri? Nwaneri is England international. and he started his youth football at Arsenal Academy. Yes, and he was promoted from 2022 to 2023. Yes, from Arsenal Academy to the senior side. So Nwaneri has been in Arsenal senior team 3 seasons now. He has been in Arsenal senior team 3 seasons now, and he is 18 years of age. That is the player Chelsea interested to sign. Nwaneri. Nwaneri. I like his team. I think maybe it will be Nigerian anyway. Nwaneri. Oh, because that is not Ghanaian name. Yes. Oh, guys, let me hear, because that is not English name. That is African name. Guys, let me hear from you. Do you know him more? Yes. So, guys, this guy, as I said, he is a midfielder, and he can also play as wing, whether left wing or right wing, or even attacking midfield. He is a midfielder. Let's say that right midfielder, left midfielder, central midfielder, attack. So, this player, does he fit into our current project, our young project? Yes. Nwaneri is fit into Chelsea current project, the young project we are building. He is 100% fit. But does Chelsea need him currently? That is where the question lies, guys. Do you think we need Nwaneri in our current Chelsea squad? Because when you look at that his position, okay, let me come to the player qualities first. When you look at Nwaneri, see, he is not a bad player. He got it. He had the qualities. If Nwaneri come from Chelsea Academy, or if Nwaneri is playing for Chelsea Academy, I will promote him to the senior team. Yes, like George and Co, Achampong and Co, he is that level. He is good, having the potential to be one of the good players, yes, better players, yes, in the Premier League someday. So not a bad player. But currently, we want to compete. Currently, next season, we want to play good football and win, at least win 2 or 3 trophies. At least win the Premier League or compete in the Champions League and win it. So, can Nwaneri come and give us that? Guys, do you think, yes, him being 18 years, can he come and give us that competitive performance? Guys, let me hear from you. Should Chelsea sign Nwaneri? Nwaneri. Chelsea interested to sign him. So that is that player. Let me hear from you under the comment section. And let's come to the most important one, of course. Madueke to Arsenal. For that one, let's read it, guys. From Fabrizio, more on Madueke. Arsenal story reported earlier today. The agreement on personal terms is ready and done, with parties advancing on details this morning. Madueke said yes to Mikel Arteta project. Club-to-club talks will start in the upcoming days. Club-to-club talks will start in the upcoming days. So, guys, that is the information for Nuno Madueke. In fact, that Madueke said yes to Mikel Arteta project. In other words, Madueke agreed personal terms to join Arsenal. So now it left with Chelsea and Arsenal to have talks, club-to-club talks. And guys, Chelsea selling Madueke. Chelsea selling Madueke. Do you think should Chelsea sell him, or we need him in the future? Because see, one thing all Chelsea fans we don't like about Madueke, him being selfish. Madueke on the ball, he is looking that dangerous. He want to penetrate. He want to take on his marker. He want to dribble and go into the box. But when Madueke reach the box, the final take, the final decision and the final answer is the problem. And that is what Chelsea fans we don't like about Madueke. Even this game, we saw it when he came on Chelsea Palmeiras. He was doing all kind of dribbles. Yes, taking on his markers onto the box. But at the end, he wanted to score. And now, competition is coming. Now we are bringing more wingers. João Pedro just joined. And we also saw the display from Pedro last night. The same as Gittins official announced. Mohamed Kudus is coming. We will come to him. Yes, Malik Fofana, Chelsea still interested. And for me, I think now it is looking like Madueke don't want to withstand the competition in Chelsea. Even after our game against Palmeiras, they asked Enzo Maresca about this transfer, and Enzo Maresca said any player who is not happy to be here, he can leave. That is the answer Enzo Maresca gave. So that means it is looking like Madueke won guaranteed playing time, in which Chelsea will not give him that. So Madueke is not happy anymore because he wants to be playing regular football. And as a player, if you want to play regular football, not bad. Every player wants to play regular football. But make sure that you are doing the right thing. Make sure that when you given the opportunity, you show it. You show to the manager that you really deserve the opportunity being given. But Madueke, are we seeing that? Are we seeing that, guys? So see, Madueke won't guarantee playing time. So for me, I think this is one of the reasons why he is leaving, because I don't think Chelsea will give him the playing time. As Chelsea brought João Pedro and Jamie Gittins, Maresca will use them a lot this season to see if they can fit into our system. So Madueke now being a guaranteed starter as this season, I don't think it will happen next season. So even if Madueke will decide to stay, then he must compete with them. João Pedro, Jamie Gittins, and any winger Chelsea will bring. He must compete with them. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Chelsea selling Madueke. Now he agreed personal terms with Arsenal. He said yes to Atete project. Now he left with club-to-club talks, Arsenal and Chelsea. And another worry about Chelsea bringing wingers is that, for me, my worry is George. The guy is good. The last game, some of us thought Maresca would brought him in, but it didn't happen. So let's see, because George is a good player. I don't want him to be on the bench. I know the player I have in my hands. Yes, try George. Excellent, talented, better than Martinelli. Yes, better than Amad Diallo. Yes, better than Garnacho. So I know my George. So that is my worry. I don't know whether George will get the playing time or not. Or guys, do you think Chelsea should loan him, or do you think Chelsea should keep him and give him the playing time? Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section and about Madueke transfer to Arsenal. And let's come to the last man standing, the dribbler. Yes, the man with technique, Mohamed Kudus. This is the latest information for Mohamed Kudus transfer to Chelsea, guys. West Ham are confident Chelsea will submit a better offer than Spurs for Mohamed Kudus. West Ham will prefer he goes to Chelsea over Spurs. Guys, that is the latest information for Mohamed Kudus. Spurs already submitted their offer to West Ham, and it is looking like West Ham doesn't agree to that offer. So West Ham is being confident that Chelsea will submit a better offer to sign Mohamed Kudus, and that they even want Kudus to join Chelsea over Spurs, and not only them, all of us, everybody who knows who is Kudus. Yes, he must go to a winning team, a team he can go and have CV, a team he can go and have career. Kudus going to Spurs and Kudus staying in West Ham. What are the difference? For me, I can't spot the difference. So guys, let's come to Kudus. See, West Ham won 85 million for Kudus, or they are calling for a swapping deal, be it Sanchez, Keenan, or Chukwuemeka, West Ham. So they are waiting to hear from Chelsea, and they are thinking that Chelsea will submit a better offer. Well, as we are speaking, see, to be honest, Chelsea want to sell before they can sign. And I agree, because of the PSR recently, yes, they just found Chelsea, UEFA just found Chelsea because of that breach of financial fair play. So we have to be careful with FA also. For Premier League, we all know Premier League, the agenda against Chelsea. Little big mistake, they are banning Chelsea or they are finding Chelsea. So I agree. We have to sell before we buy. And that is why Chelsea want to sell Madueke, or Madueke transfer is about to happen. So Kudus coming to Chelsea, it must happen. It must happen. See, I will not even call Kudus a young player anymore, because he is young. But when I look at his football brain, when I look at his technique, when I look at what he has shown over the past year at Ajax, even West Ham his first season, I will say that Kudus is now mature. Yes, even more than our current players. I can say except Cole Palmer and Neto, I can compare Kudus' maturity with all the players we are bringing in. João Pedro, Jamie Gittins, they are all good. But I can say Kudus is up there more than them. And Chelsea fans, we have been crying for that experience. Someone who has seen it before, someone who had been in the system before. And I can tell you that Kudus is one of those players. Yes, not today that Kudus is playing highest level football, Champions League football. And we need that. Currently, apart from Reece James and who? The players in our team, we can say they have Champions League experience. Apart from who? Yes, Reece James. Or Cole Palmer played Champions League. Yes, but he wasn't playing regularly. So we need that experience, that Champions League experience, that elite football experience. And as I said, Kudus is that player. And also, we need a better replacement or a better substitute to Cole Palmer. Cole Palmer cannot be doing it every day. We are seeing it recently in some games. Cole Palmer will become tired. Nobody is there on the bench. You can substitute Cole Palmer off and say that, okay, since this player is coming, he can be able to do what Cole Palmer can also do. Yes, he will be a super sub for Cole Palmer. No, we don't have that player in our current Chelsea team. And having Kudus, even if Kudus is on the bench and Cole Palmer is playing, yes, we are good to go. Chelsea fans, our heart will be cool. We'll say, okay, even this game, if Cole Palmer is off, we have someone like Kudus on the bench. Even Kudus can play as a winger, as a force now. So Chelsea signing Kudus, it will bring good more than harm. It will cause good more than harm. I'm telling you. So guys, see, Kudus coming to Chelsea will be excellent decision, good signing, and I know when Chelsea sign Madueke, guys, I believe that Chelsea will go and see if they can sign Kudus. And even if Chelsea go, West Ham themselves want Kudus to join Chelsea. So if Chelsea go, West Ham may reduce the fee, or Chelsea can do it a swapping deal, be it Keenan or be it Sanchez or be it Chukwuemeka. Guys, let me hear from you. If the swapping deal is about to happen, who should Chelsea swap with Kudus? Sanchez, Keenan, or Chukwuemeka? Let me hear from you in the comments. So guys, these are the latest information from Mohamed Kudus, Madueke, and Chelsea completed the signing of Jamie Gittins and Nwaneri from Arsenal. Chelsea interested to sign, and all what we'll discuss in this video. And yes, I gave you my review after Chelsea beating Palmeiras and qualified to the semi-final of the Club World Cup tournament. Guys, here's the video. Please click to enjoy. Take care. Peace.